In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can get X-Ray here in Minecraft Bedrock Edition. Before we do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, if you have Minecraft open, go ahead and close out of it. And yes, that does include that launcher. Open up a web browser of your choice, and what you're going to want to search for is Minecraft Bedrock X-Ray the breakdown. It's going to take you to a page that looks like this. Select this first option here and scroll down. And what you're going to want to go ahead and choose is your version of Bedrock, and then this little X-Ray option. Select download right here, and it's going to immediately load you onto the next page, or immediately begin downloading for you. Once it finishes downloading, it should look something like this. Simply go ahead and select on this file, and it's going to open up Minecraft Bedrock Edition immediately. This is an MC pack. That's just what these do. Once it does open, it's going to say it has successfully imported the X-Ray mod up in the very top. Now from here, all you have to do to activate the pack is actually just go ahead and go into your settings, scroll down to the global resources section on your settings right here. Find this little My Packs option, open it up, find this little breakdown one, select it, and then hit active, and it's going to go into this active section. Now you can back out of this option, and what you're going to want to do next is go into your settings again, and go specifically into your video settings this time. Scroll down on this option until you see the section for advanced, and go ahead and turn off smooth lighting, just because it's going to improve visibility. You can also run night vision if you would like, just in your game, because it's going to make everything appear bright and easier to spot. But essentially, go ahead and load into whatever world you would like. For example, we'll do this one right here, just since it doesn't technically have X-ray vision on it. And when you load in, you're going to see that you already have that X-ray automatically applied. Now, this is a super flat world, so this probably wasn't the best example to go ahead and show this on. But whenever you want to remove it, simply go ahead and go back into your settings by going into the settings section right here. Scroll down to the global resources section, go into the active section, and then just select this again and turn it off. If it doesn't let you turn it off when you're in a game, go ahead and back out and disable it from the main menu right here by going back into your settings, scrolling down to global resources, selecting active, and go ahead and select deactivate. And now when you go back into that exact same world, it's going to be deactivated. But overall, that is it. Enjoy X-Ray here on Bedrock. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this, so we'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.